Hi guys, welcome to my channel Daniel Air Diary. Today beautiful ultra blue sky, like I feel like somewhere in Spain on holiday right now. But we are in a Carrickmines shopping center and I'm going to the Harvey Norman to buy some stuff. I have my new Samsung watch. I got Samsung watch before, like 2017. I got Samsung Galaxy Gear S and I love this watch. It was absolutely the best ever. But after 2 years, when I use it day and night, just the battery stopped working, and unfortunately it's somewhere in the box. I need to fix it. Or you can see this Samsung watch, my previous one, the most beautiful ever. But now I decide to buy another one just because I do lots of activity and I don't want to walk with my phone all the time. And I have a Samsung Galaxy Active 2. I show you today how this watch looks like, and we do just very short unboxing. I bought this watch in a Harvey Norman. It cost around 260 euro or 208 euro, and also I got this charger bar as a gift for my Samsung watch. What is really cool, this what you see on the photo, this model what I choose, it's a black one and it's 40 millimeters, the smallest how it's possible because I have a small hand and it looks just much nicer and easier. And also I decided to have a black color because black match with everything. They have a lots of colors, they are really pretty. You can have an option with the leather stripes, and you can have a like plastic silicone. I prefer the silicone because it's easy to keep it fresh, and I really like my choice. I will show you how it looks like in the box. Now I have a big problem to open because I'm not completely prepared to do unboxing, but I want to record this moment just because this watch will be in a few seconds on my hand and I want to use as soon as possible. That's Active 2. How you can see, it's in a box, looks like really nice, beautiful jewelry. And we have some small book inside, some manuals. I never read it, I never checking. Why after 2 years I don't know still how to use this phone, because I don't know this all option, and you know, that's me. Tell me if you do the same. You buying stuff, you never check manuals and you try to do yourself everything. You can see we have a small charger. Everything looks really nice, really pretty, everything black, what I like. Everything will be matched perfectly. Oops, I pressed something and stopped recording. Guys, it's beautiful, it's very light, it's very comfortable. I like the design, I love the shape. I don't really like the Apple Watch shape. This is perfect. Actually, this looks very similar with the size and how it looks with my Swarovski watches, and I love it. I don't know how to use and I don't know how to on, but looks really pretty and I'm really happy with that. The charging dock looks so cute as well, but how you can see I have a big panel. Okay, I will show you the panel for charging. Today was the day with the extra promotion. If you buy Samsung a watch, Action or whatever Samsung, I think, this panel was free. This panel cost like 79 euro, and today was as a free gift, what was actually a really good deal. I never used panel like that before. I just have a regular charger for my phone because, you know, I'm using Samsung, I'm Samsung person. But this panel will charge phone and headphone and watch at the same time. I don't have a headphone from Samsung, but maybe this is the beginning to start to thinking about buying the super light and super amazing headphone. I enjoying my Bose and I love my Beats and I like the regular one, but maybe I will buy the newest one as well, just to have this set complete, everything in the black and everything on this panel. I have a problem again to open. It's very good, everything it isolates so well, because that's mean everything is like supposed to be, but I'm completely not prepared to opening, and just the removing stickers just make me mad. But okay, let's do it. It's ready. Oh no, it's not ready. And I show you the panel. I'm actually excited because I never see the panel like that before. I know in a McDonald's they have like tables where you just put the phone and it's charging. I presume this will be similar. Okay, looks cool. It's black, it's beautiful, slim. We have a charger. Oh, extra charger, very good. Never enough chargers. Everything looks super cool. The product look like actually box from Apple Watch or DJI. Really nice, really smooth. And what we have here, okay, that's the panel. We just need to put the watch and the phone and everything on it and start working. Looks really cool. I'm really happy. That will be perfect, I think, more beside my bed than on the desk, but looks really cool. Yeah, much perfectly. I'm super happy with that. Yeah, I'm super happy with that, definitely. Okay, let's activate the watch. I just need to connect my watch with my phone and everything will start working immediately. That was just a few minutes with the update and some extra information, and everything working really well. I can't wait to try. I'm just going for a walk immediately because I'm so exciting and I want to see the all option and the tracking and everything. I'm super happy with that. How you can see, I reached my 10,000 steps already. Goal is done, everything is beautiful, light, amazing, looks fabulous. I highly recommend, even I have it just like few minutes, but I know this product already and this is the best ever. Guys, thank you very much for watching this very short update, unboxing with my new watch. Hope you like it. Let me know if you have your watch, Apple Watch or Samsung Watch, you like it or not, what is the most useful thing on the watch. Thank you very much and see you shortly in another vlog.